take a video.
Too late.
Okay.
Anyways.
Okay, this one's for Where's Riley? We all know your mom just loves a good shoe, so here's one that's just for you.
Oh, shoes.
That's for Riley.
Those are very small shoes.
Okay. Then all for the babies, we'll start with William because he's the oldest. William, I didn't know what to get you, my oldest nephew. I wanted to get something fun that I could read to you. I looked and looked through all kinds of stores. Then I found it, a book called William's Dinosaurs.
Get out.
And then the next one is Lily. Where's Lily?
Oh, wow.
We all know your mom just loves her candy, and she thinks reading to you is really dandy. So here's a gift to combine reading and sweets. It's a Lily series book set called A Box of Treats.
Oh, you could go for 6 or 7.
Okay. Who's next? Jonathan. Your mommy loves, wrong one. Hold on. There's a lot of kids. Yeah, Jonathan, what book to get you? About cars, trucks, or planes. Then I found a book about magic subway trains. A little boy tries to clean up and adventures abound. It's called Jonathan Cleaned Up. Then he heard a sound.
Wow.
Someone was at the
Your mommy loves the environment, birds and bees. So this book is great. It's printed on recycled trees. It's about nature. You couldn't love it more. It's a book called Baby Lauren and Theodore.